That's why you're getting old. Why don't you take pencil and take them over there?
Max.